your screen. The card has not fired. In fact, it was Ethan Lennon. Ethan Lennon, apologies. Oh, that's hugely disappointing for the Catonian, who was in scintillating form throughout the heats yesterday. Ethan Lennon out before the start. We rush. Sharpler from pole position. Pushed by Roman Kamyab, Ricky Clean Motorsport second and third. But it's the orange Austrian for TPK Racing who leads the field down into turns 1, 2 and 3. Sharpler leads, Roman second, and Filippo Sala in third place. Great start by Henry Domain. There's the first of the energy carts going on through. We'll look for Matt van der Rooyen, Van der Medelen for the Ward Racing team. He's had a strong weekend so far. It's Schaubler who leads across the line for the first time. Pre-final beat, lap 1 at 17. Henry Domain in third place. There's Sala trying to take it. Henry in fourth place. Sala in third trying to take his teammate Kamyab. Schaubler with the lead. The RFM drivers, they trade positions. Watch Henry on the inside. Henry splits the RFM duo. Superb pass from Henry Domain. The Brit through to third place. Sala second. Schaubler leads. That is the Canadian Alexander Chartier in P5. Ivani Goff, Gerard Day, Kasai Buma, Baglin. Jack to Jackson Island. And the two-time Irish champion, it's Daniel Kelleher, just outside the top 10. Henry briefly takes second. Away from Sala. Filippo gets him on the exit. Nicholas Schaubler, P1. Putting out from half a second. Henry Domain, the fastest driver on the circuit in these early stages. Andreas Cardenas won the 2020 WSK Champions Cup for the Energy Gorse team. And Henry from Britain. For the team of Nick Panigada, Simone Sorio, Luigina Guerini, their young British challenger, the Energy Kinetic Chassis, which has won him multiple times at Lonato in recent years. Cardenas, the Champions Cup champion. Thomas Dolceman has won the WSK Open Cup in the same chassis, but now fighting and losing time. There is the Canadian Alexander Chartier in P5. So the energy car quickest on the circuit, but in traffic, allowing Sala and Schaubler to pull away. Henry down the inside. The energy back into third place. Roman back to 4. The Brits trade positions. There's 3 English drivers inside the top 10. Baglin's made a storming start. Noah behind Kasai Guma, who's in 8th place. Baglin in just a place behind them, Jack Eilert. Rounds out the 10. He's settling into a rhythm. We're about to start lap 5 of 17. Pre-final beat to the OK Junior category. The WSK Champions Cup, which was won 1 year ago by Lewis Worrell for Forza Racing, as you say. Andreas Cardenas, a year prior in 2022 for the Energy Gorse team. There's Sala. On the back of Schaubler, the orange Austrian from Il Trentino. Here's Henry. In third place for the Energy Gorse team. Kamyab and Alexander Chartier, the Canadian. Superb form all week for the Paralympic Motorsport team. Another 2 energy cars, Vladimir Ivanikov, Alois Girardet, Kasai Guma, Baglin, and back to Jack Eilert, the Texan in 10. Daniel Kelleher, Isandra Sulfikari up in the P12. The 6-time WSK champion from Istanbul. Head of Commander Matt van der Rooyen, Jesse Phillips, the OKN Junior World Cup champion. Head of Rasmussen, Savalova, Ramik Samsic, Satos, Yao, Sakai, Ryotaro Sakai, who when racing in the Japanese championships has the best presented kart in world karting. I promise you, check out his Instagram. Ryotaro Sakai, 351 here this weekend. He's in 21st place. The pink and green machine has to be seen to be believed when he's racing in the All-Japanese Championship. On debut in WSK, the Japanese driver headed to the Seni for Hagman Racing, rounding out the top 20, but it is Schaufler, the Austrian, in P1. Gives some credit to DPK team. The better back Pract Republic, it also looks superb. Ricky Blue Motorsport, 10th anniversary replica livery of both Enam Ahmed and Logan Sargent winning the 2014 World Championships. The first of 4 world titles for the RSM team. Logan winning a year later at La Conca Motorlegese, and Thomas Cambrico a couple of seasons ago up in Finland. Timo Sala inside ring, distributing the TM Powered Lando Norris car, TFR June. Got his power for the English team. And the Lando Norris car, it's the Austrian for the Spanish team in the Pract Republic in P1. We move into the second half of pre-final B for OKJ. 3-2-5 for Roman Kanyaba. Certainly a contender for victory here. RK in 3-2-5, the default 3-2-7. Royan under investigation. That's bad luck for the young Dutchman, who had a third place finish in his final heat yesterday for the Ward Racing team. 3-3-4 Max van Royan is under investigation. At the moment he's running in P12. Peter Maka Savalev, Oliver Rasmussen, the Danish champion, Daniel Kelleher, Eilert, Philip Sumchik, Zatrov, Zhao, Sakai Shaseni, Quadrado Fidan, Alex Bruner, Glossner, I should say. His mother Greener running in the Ferrari Challenge Series in Europe. And Jim Cameron Chen, Marcel Zebel, Manuel Miguez just out of the mini class. Now racing in OK Junior, the Spaniard is the final runner. We lost Teo Baptiste, Mate Adjushinov and Ethan Lennon, the Cape Tonian out before the start. That's hugely disappointing. We take another look, the angle down into the mid hairpin. Schaufler still maintaining the lead. What a talent is this kid in P1. We can say this for the leading group, in fact. World class here in the WSK Champions Cup. It's very easy to say when you've got good equipment, yeah, you can shine. Let's be honest, they're all on good stuff. Sala for RSM, this world class team. Just goes by and takes Schaufler. Yeah, when you're driving the rocket, it's easy to win. But what about when it rains and you're on slicks on a wet track? Well, that's exactly what happened with Nicholas Schaufler on Friday night. It was 2 degrees Celsius, there was light rain falling, the track was treacherous. IAD powered, Pract Republic as he goes around the outside. Superb from Schaufler. Took the victory in the rain. This is not a horsepower circuit, but he still won. And let's be honest, all the top teams are giving their drivers brilliant equipment. GFR team, TN engines on the Lando Norris car in 2nd and 4th. The Energy Gorse team, they won this race in 2022. The Pract Republic team, let's not forget Parallel Motorsport, also powered by TM. No one has got bad equipment here. Nicholas Schaufler back into 2nd briefly, but retakes the lead. 5 laps from home. Big final B for OKJ. And it's the Austrian who leads the way. It's Vladimir Ivanikov also for the Energy Gorse team. Ivanikov won here in the WSK Supermaster Series in 60 Mini in 2022. 3 Energy Gorse cars inside the top 10. Aloisa Etienne in P7, from Greek 12 if you don't mind. Baglin, Gender, and he's going to the great. Wolf Ducati now moves into the top 10. moment. On the back of Sydney Ball, Henry into second place. Here comes the Energy Course team. In fourth, remains sideways down through the chicane. 4.5 laps remaining. 4 laps remaining. As Cumbia takes Sala for P3. Down to the gap, half a second last time, likely to be more. 0.51. This stage is made for good last single that time from Domain. Daniel Kelleher has dropped down to 16, but has just done his best lap of the race. He's coming on strong, but too late for the Kart Republic from Cork in Ireland. Sorry about the accent. Hey, I tried. For our friends watching on the Emerald Isle. Sorry, I won't do that again. Reminiscent between Alex Dunn, the Irishman from County Offaly, won in 2019. Now Daniel Kelleher from Ireland, following in Alex's footsteps. UP16 at the moment, behind Oliver Rasmussen, Ricardo, Sakai and Jesse Phillips. 3 laps now remaining. Southla, down now for 6 of the second. There is the RSM duo. Kamia 325, Sala 327, Vladimir Ivanikov. The Energy Course team, the connecting chassis. The team from Bergamo. Just up the highway, l'Autostrada. Here in the north of Italy, 3 of them inside the top 10, top 7. Ivanikov tried throughout there. Le Pilon Français, 2nd place, P7 for the Frenchman. And again, the RSM duo trade position. Sala back to 3rd. Ramik Samsic and Darren Cheng have just retired. Still their cart. On the inside of the penultimate corner, this is the penultimate lap of the race. The gap is 7/10 of a second. Henry Domain, superb for the young Brit. His mechanic Makia Soufflot working superbly here for the Energy Course team. Can they take another title? They also won, as you say, the WSK Open Cup with Thomas Doltomanos at this circuit just over a year ago. 3 of them inside the top 7. Credit also, huge credit in fact to the North American Alexander Chartier in P6. He's the Canadian for the Paralympic Motorsport team, but this is the final lap of the race for the Orange Austrian, Nicholas Daufler. The gap stays 6/10 of a second. Dries Langendonk wins the pre-final A for OKJ. Nicholas Dauf, 3 corners from home to win pre-final B for the TPK Racing team. Henry Domain, superb in second into the Brit. Sala will finish in P3. The checkered flag is about to wave. It's the Orange Austrian. Nicholas Daufler with a perfect drive to win pre-final B. And likely, this is provisional, will join Joya on the front row of the group for the final. Put a big asterisk beside that statement. As it stands, it looks as though Kostoya will start from pole position for the pre